So guys, finally, welcome back once again. So finally, I'm able to access my CAMC over the network. As you people see that the IP was configured already, but for some reason it was not connected over the network. So always make sure that your CMC is connected with your network. So when there is some demand, some requirement, some issue happen, you people are able to access it immediately. Okay, so I will just log in with my credential. The CMC version is 4.0. I will see if I make some single session to upgrade the CIMC upgrade version for the controller. Okay, we'll see later on. So for now, let's do quickly our lab. I will log in with the help of credential, and immediately I got this certificate expiry, which is not a big issue. I will fix it also later on, and I will share with you. So this is the main dashboard of my Cisco integrated management controller. This is the summary. Immediately, let's see it quickly. This is my server property, which is given by serial number. This is the part number, and this is UUID number, and this is the BIOS version, which is my CMC. And then I have a status for my chassis status. It will give me immediately information about my hardware, that if there is something issue, as you see, I have two issue: server fault and overall server storage status. Okay, so I have issue with my server storage. So then there is information about the CMC once again, the host name, IP address, what I have configured, the MAC address, and the time zone, which is already configured. Let's see some other things. If I go over here, on this one, I can see the inventory. Inventory information is giving about your hardware of your physical server, whatever is installed, MAC, IP, power supply, the storage, okay, and PC adapters, memory. If you see over here, this is giving me the CPU. I have two CPUs. Then there is a memory information, that how many DIMMs. If I click on this one, DIMM location diagram, it will show me the visibility. This is the beauty of Cisco hardware and Cisco software, that they give you about the DIMMs. This is all the DIMMs which are installed at this time, the total fan supply, everything. It will give you very black and white to so you are well aware about your hardware. Then there is PCI adapters. Okay, this is the information about my PCI adapter. The next thing is power supplies. Okay, I have two power supplies. What is the input? What is the output? Firewall, FW. I think this is not firewall. Sorry, something related with the power supply version. Product IDs. It is given here. The Cisco WIC adapters, which is not available right now. Network adapters. It is already showing. I have two physical NICs with this model. Storage. This is very important. What kind of storage? I have Android configure already, and it is the issue right now as a server fault. It is showing. Then SAS expander. I don't have any SAS expander. TPM is nothing. It's empty. GPU inventory. It is already empty. Okay. So let's see next quickly. It is a sensor information. This is all the information about my power related, like what is showing over here. In out, let's skip it quickly. Come to the fans. On the fan, I have all the fans available. About the information about the fan sensor, everything is normal. Come to the temperature. This is very important, that if there is some issue with your hardware, your temperature will always not be stable. It will be something with the higher level. So at this time, critical already configured at say 45 centigrade. So for now, it's okay. 20, 35 are normal values. Voltage, how much power. If there is some issue with your power system, it will always give you the power. Then it will give me the current sensors, this information. LEDs for green, amber, and blue. This is basically lights physically available on your server front panel. Okay, and then finally the storage. Okay, I will do one thing. I will turn it on. I will show you. Just wait. Let me turn it on. So the number of HDDs which are at this time installed in my physical server, the light status, I keep it power on. Okay. So if you see over here, the second HDD is filled. Because of this one, I face an issue and doing all this exercise, and I will collect the Showtech, and then I will send to Cisco for their review, and they will give me RMA claim for this disk. Okay, so this is the issue basically. And next thing about power management, let's see what over here. Please run power characterization once. I will, let's see. I think nothing special here. Power monitoring, yes. Power monitoring is there. It is giving me the power of the platform, CPU, memory, all these things. Then faults and logs. This is very important. Whatever fault you have and logs available for your hardware, it will give you over here. For example, it gives me the warning about my RAID, and the major fault is that I have a failure of disk number 2, storage local disk 2 is have a problem. Okay, then the fault history, this problem is happen, it will give you the history about your fault. Even though if you reboot your server, it will give you the information. Okay, then system event log, this is something like event log, that one the problem is happen again, it give me this the drive slot sensor 2 is a fault critical. Then my Cisco IMC logs is available, which is quite normal. Logging console, I can connect this CMC with my monitoring server. For example, if you have SolarWind monitoring system and you any other log system, you just provide your hostname IP address. So any issue, it will send you the logs with the to make it so you can track it. Okay. So the next thing over here, if you see over here, compute. This is the normal information about the BIOS, configure boot order. If I want to change something. Right now, it is as a HDD boot. Okay. So let's come to quickly to the networking side. In the networking, okay, networking is not showing me right now. I'm not able to connect with my networking. Let's come to the storage side. In the storage, let's see. It is giving me information about my storage. This is physical drive information and virtual drive. Okay, it's not available right now. So let's see over 12G modular rate. This is a very important information about your RAID, what RAID you have configured. Again, it's showing me the server fault because my disk has been failed. So running firmware images and startup firmware images, virtual device count is 1, physical drive count, I have 6 physical disk installed in that one, and out of 6, 1 is with the fault. Okay, so this one, then physical drive information, again it's giving me the drive information with the failure of second drive. And virtual drive info is only I have RAID 5 configured. Okay, so RAID 5 is there. Then battery backup, this is the battery backup, I believe something like sensors are available. Then the storage log, it is giving me information about my storage logs. Let's come to the admin and come to the information about the Showtech. Okay, how to get the Showtech, which is my topic for today. So you will just go on the admin, you'll go on the utilities. From the utilities, you'll go to the generate technical support data for local download. Okay, so I will just click over here and it will generate the Showtech, which have information about my physical server, hardware, software from the day first till at this time. Okay, whatever, even you reboot your server, your Showtech information will stay alive in your server. So in the future, whenever you have a problem, you can do the investigation. So I will just do on this one, generate and download, and the process will start. Okay, so if you see over here, collecting is 4%. So once it will collect a log, I will share these logs with the Cisco to get the RMA. They will replace my disk. So guys, this was my topic for today. I believe it's not so important, but it have its importance when you face a problem. So you should know how to collect the logs whenever you face such kind of issue. So thanks for watching my channel and this video. If you like this one, please share this one, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I will upload more videos related with the same topic when I have to replace the disk. So I will show you how you can replace the disk without without touching, without disturbing your RAID, okay, and without disturbing your virtual machines. And we'll be right back, inshallah, with the next video. Until that time, take care. Allah Hafiz.